In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Flow app after miscarriage. This process is important for ensuring that your app reflects your current situation. It helps you get back to tracking your cycle accurately. Let's get started. First, launch the Flow app on your mobile device. You will see the home screen with various options laid out before you. This is the starting point for all your interactions with the app. By opening the app, you are setting the stage for the important changes that follow. You might notice a welcoming interface that feels familiar. This is where you can easily manage your health and wellness information. Next, tap the menu icon, which is usually your avatar located in the top left corner. This action opens up a menu with various options related to your account. Here, you can navigate through different features of the app. It's essential to access this menu because it holds the key to your profile settings and preferences. Once you have tapped on the menu icon, a list will appear, allowing you to make the necessary adjustments to your tracking. Currently, you should see Track Pregnancy selected. You will want to switch this setting to just Track Cycle. This change is significant as it allows the app to focus solely on your menstrual cycle rather than pregnancy tracking. It ensures that you are not getting notifications or data that no longer apply to your situation. Adjusting this setting will help personalize your experience moving forward and align it with your current health needs. Next, tap I'm no longer pregnant. This step is crucial as it formally indicates to the app that you want to discontinue pregnancy tracking. By confirming this, you are not just changing settings, you are taking a step toward reclaiming your health tracking journey. This action helps the app understand your current status and adjust its features accordingly. You may feel a sense of relief as you take this step to move forward. Now, select Delete Pregnancy Info and confirm by tapping Remove. This step is vital for ensuring that all related data is cleared from your profile. It allows you to have a clean slate, free from previous pregnancy information that may not be relevant anymore. Confirming this action will help you organize your health data more effectively. You might see a confirmation message or another prompt, providing reassurance that your changes have been successfully applied. By following these steps, you ensure that the Flow app reflects your current situation accurately. This is essential for tracking your menstrual cycle effectively and getting the most out of the app. Remember, these adjustments are all about making your experience as personalized and relevant as possible. As we wrap up, it's good to remember that these changes can positively impact how you engage with the app in the future. You can now focus on what matters most to you right now. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.